Temporary view properties allow us to change the properties of a view temporarily so that we can see the information that we need to see without permanently changing that information inside of the view. Move your cursor down to the bottom of the view and select on the button called Temporary View Properties. Then, click on Enable Temporary View Properties. When you do that, you'll see this blue or purple line going around the perimeter of your view. This means that temporarily, any changes that we make to the view properties will only be effective just temporarily. By clicking on that box again, we will then be able to shut off any changes that we make to the view properties. Move your cursor down and then select the Visual Styles button. Then click on Hidden Line. Temporarily, we've turned all the colors off, and now we're just seeing this as a black and white form. If we need to make a change in the visibility graphics, we can do that as well. Underneath Properties, select the Edit button next to Visibility Graphics, or just type the letter V twice on your keyboard. After opening up your Visibility Graphics dialog box, let's turn off the site. And we can do that by scrolling down and clearing the check mark next to Topography. Also, let's turn off the roofs of the building, just so that we can see into our buildings. So clear the check mark next to Roofs, and click on OK. Now, temporarily, the site and the roofs of our buildings have been shut off. If we want to bring those back, it's very easy for us to do. Instead of going through that process that we just went through, all we need to do is go down to the Temporary View Properties button and select on Restore the View Properties. And it will restore those view properties to their previous state. Another option that it has is select on the Temporary View Properties button one more time, and we can apply a view template to the view. View templates are predefined states as to how a view should look. Select on Enable the Temporary View Properties, and now click on Export to Civil Engineering. This was a view template that was already in the project, and we can see that such things as the exterior walls, the topography, and a few other items have now been visually shut off. To turn that back on again, once again, Temporary View Properties button, and Restore View Properties. So the Temporary View Properties button allows you to temporarily change the graphics that you see inside of a view.